In this video, we'll be showing you how we install a baseboard mounted doorstop. The doorstops that we got, we ordered quite a few of them off of Amazon, and if you would like to pick up a box yourself, we'll be leaving an affiliate link down in the description. Meaning if you click and make a purchase, we'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Alright, let's jump into it. First thing, we did have a little accident here one day when our door slammed open and punched a hole into the drywall, thus prompting our search for a doorstop. First thing we'll do is take a level and go right down the middle of where our hole in the wall is or where the doorknob would be. Then at the baseboard, we're going to take a pencil and draw a line straight up, which would be right in the center of our doorknob. We then need to find the best place for our doorstop, all while keeping that line we made in the center of our doorstop. The biggest thing that we're going to be watching out for here is that the doorstop is actually hitting the wood of the door rather than that seal on the bottom, which is sometimes rubber or metal. Once we have that set, we're going to hold our doorstop in place, and then we'll make a hash mark over that vertical line indicating to us where to drill the pilot hole. Now we're all ready. We'll go ahead, get our drill, and drill a tiny little pilot hole. Now doing this, it's going to reduce the risk of the baseboard cracking when we go to screw it in. So once we have that pilot hole set, we'll take our doorstop and unscrew it from the base. Now this base right here, we're going to make sure that we flip it around so that the lip is facing the wall, and then we'll put the screw right in the middle of it. Now we'll go to our pilot hole, take our drill, and then gently screw it into the baseboard. Once it is in the baseboard, we're going to take our doorstop, insert that spring into the little hole, and twist it clockwise until it kind of locks in place and is secure. We'll go ahead now and give it a quick test. Yep, we see it's working down on the baseboard, and we'll check where that door handle is. It is no longer hitting the wall. If you found this video helpful, it means a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe.